Ay, wala pa?
Ay,
Kapoy naman ko guys eh.
okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, class, very good. So now, we are done discussing our topic for today, class. And now it's quiz time. Please get one fourth and answer directly. Don't forget to write your name and write quiz number three, okay? And just hit the thumbs up button if you're done. You may answer now. Okay, you done? All right, next slide. Teacher Princess. You done? Okay, next slide, teacher. Some are done. Okay, are you done, class? Okay, next teacher. Thank you. Done? Not yet. So everyone's done? Okay, so let's check, class. So check your own paper and be honest. Okay? Right? Comment your scores in the chat box. Okay, Binghut is 7. Very good. Quezon is 10. Very good. Hapal 10. I got 8 during 10. Okay, are you done? Okay, everyone, I got high scores. Wow, that's amazing. So thank you for listening, class. I hope you learned something, and we will now proceed to the next topic with Teacher Kerr. Bye.
Thank you, guys! Mamahuway ka ta.
Thank you guys so
now
much.
your princess.
Kapoy na dyan ko guys. Oh.
Sakso Maxis
Gihuman
na.
tanan, oy. Sumakses. Gihuman tanan.
Kapoy na dyan ko. Salamat, salamat everybody.
Thank you, guys. Mahuway na ta. Thank you so much.
Everybody.
Bye.
Bye guys. Mag-upload sa kuan ni.
Thank you.
Salamat,
Thank you, Ning. Thank
Nin.
you,
Thank you,
Lorica. Thank you,
Nin.
everyone.
Everyone.
Mama,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
Nin.
Thank you, Lorica.
Bayad din ay bayad oy.